we're late. We need to run. Run, run, run. Aray ko.
Sakurang. We paid travel tax for 1,620 per head. Punta tayo ng CTS.
So, tinatawag na kami guys. Yung nasa boarding ticket namin is 105. No, 106. Yeah, 106. Pero yung nakalagay sa board pala is 116. So, we're late. We need to run. Basta dulo pang 116. Dulo. I can see it. Here. Oh my goodness. Pagod. Sprint. Hindi natawag yung pangalan namin. Unfortunately. Dahil kakamadali, hindi nakabili ng pagkain.
And there is a time difference between Manila, Philippines and Chitose, Japan.
Ooh, negative.
So, how is the weather? Kaya?
Nararamdaman ko na sa legs.
Actually.
It's 6 o'clock, 6:20 in the evening and we're already here. May snow.
What?
Lakas ng loob, oh. Immigration, it's very quick. Go, 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 go! Go, go! Respectful daw sa kanila yung nakaganyan upo. Oh, nice. One time use. Si Ruth nagpapa-exchange, ay nag-withdraw ng pera. Ako magpapalit ako ng dollars to yen. So, nagpapalit tayo ng $300 naging 41,000 yen na siya. So, ang current exchange rate is 139. Success.
Grabe naman yung documentation.
Come on. After natin mag-change ng money, next natin is we are gonna look for food. Pwede, no? Any paper.
Oo, tapos lagay mo na
Tapos,
lang sa...
cut ko na lang. We're here at the stamp alley. Ang first stamp natin for today. Baliktad. Baliktad. Yay!
Oh, bakit? Bakit?
Meron sila dito provided na paper.
Wow!
Perfect!
Yay!
Our first meal, curry rice and additional side dish. And syempre, gaya siya. Thank you. So we spent
$910.
$910.
Yen.
Ay, 910 yen. So para mga 280 pesos.
What? Hindi ako mag-200.
Mga 300.
Oy, not wrong.
150.
Ah, okay. So I got the money.
I get the ticket. So sakay na kami guys. Bumili kami ng ticket. So mga 45 to 1 hour tong trip. Yay!
Kaya ka?
Kaya ba? Pero yan, kaya ba? Oh guys, 9 o'clock and we're here at... ang sakit sa ulo. Damit siya. Hindi kaya. Ako rin, hindi ko na rin kaya. So, try ulit natin. Kasi, wala ko t-shirt lang to, tsaka jacket. So, di ko alam kung pag lumabas tayo, kayanin natin. But anyway, do this. Uy, winter. Sakta na ulo ko. We're in the outside world, guys. Kaya. 10 minutes walk. Kaya. So guys, yun yung hotel namin. Kita nyo ba? JR Inn. 13th floor.
Eto na.
Let's go. This is it. This is the start. Friday the 13th. Of course. In fairness, maluwag ang walkway. Ooh, dulong-dulo, malapit sa fire exit. Let's see. Ito na. Tug. Uy. Ang liit. Yun talagang first impression. Okay. This is a small double twin bed. This is my table. Kasi mag-work tayo. Actually, gusto ko yung gantong setup.
Ako din.
Yung nasa labas yung hilamusan.
Para pwede ko siya.
Yay! Shop! Smile, guys! Sama kayo sa vlog. Shopping kami. Naka 10,000 ka agad. Shopping, guys! First night. Sinulit yung pagkaling. So, meron tayong libreng card. Kuzume Kenman. Tokyo Ghoul, I think.
I paid for this.
Okay, going up. It's 12 midnight here in Sapporo. Medyo long day dahil wala pa talaga kaming rest. Ayan, namili kami. Ito ang ating shopping haul. Ito talaga, I've been wanting to have this kind of kahit hindi bagay sa akin. So, bumili rin si Ruth ng ganito. Parang naisip kong mabili mo. Bumili kami ng gloves pang ski. Bumili ako ng mask na hindi ko masyadong magamit. But I'm gonna try to work it out. Yan. Kasi, ang hirap ng hangin. Sobrang lamig sa mukha. Kaya kailangan may cover up. Mukha pala siyang hayop. Bumili rin tayo ng heat pads. So, importante ito lalo na pag lamigin kayo tulad ko. Moisturizer. Kasi sobrang nakaka-dry ang cold weather. Lastly, bread! For no reason. May tinapay tayo. Almost 10,000 yen yun. So, more or less mga 3,000 pesos din yung nagastos namin. For the first day, tapos kumain pa kami sa labas. Iba pa yung train. Kailangan natin mag-note para lang din ma-trace natin yung magkano yung expenses natin. Anyway guys, I got work. Ang hirap na ligo! Yan talaga yung problema. Anyway, do not forget to put the thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. If you got any questions about trips on Sapporo or whatever, you can just comment it on the comment box. The next episode.